Are you looking for the best laptops for Autocad in 2021? In this video, we will look at some of the best laptops for Autocad in 2021. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Lenovo Ideapad L340. Battery life, 9 hours. Processor, Intel Core i7-9750H processor. RAM, 16GB RAM. Hard disk, 512GB SSD plus 1TB HDD. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1654GB. Operating system, Windows 10. Display, 17.3-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare display. The laptop offers essential characteristics for convenient gameplay: a 15.6-inch Full HD anti-glare display with IPS technology, producing colors from a wide angle of viewing precisely. Besides, the model boasts a modern 9th Gen Intel Core i7-9750H processor that may be overclocked up to 4.5 GHz. Ideapad L340 is the best laptop for Autocad and 3ds Max due to the presence of an immense 16GB of DDR4 RAM. Speaking of graphics, the model is supplied with 4GB of NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 dedicated graphics card. The available storage is also on point, providing 512GB of speedier SSD along with 1TB of very large HDD. The laptop is based on Windows 10 OS, integrates all the necessary ports and slots for connectivity, enables users to work for up to 5.5 hours without recharging the battery. An appealing feature of Ideapad L340 is a backlit keyboard that will come in handy for various architecture-related tasks. At number 2. Acer Predator Helios 300. Battery life, 6 hours. Processor, Intel Core i7-9750H processor. RAM, 16GB. Hard disk, 256GB SSD. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660T. 6GB. Operating system, Windows 10. Display, 15.6-inch Full HD IPS widescreen LED backlit display. Predator Helios 300 is often praised for the 9th Gen Intel Core i7-9750H processor and immense 16GB of DDR4 RAM, which will facilitate the process of performing several tasks simultaneously. Gamers will surely appreciate 6GB of NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 dedicated graphics card that contributes to stunning graphics in games. The provided 256GB of the speediest and safe SSD drive are also worth mentioning. Many users admire its 15.6-inch Full HD widescreen display with LED backlight and IPS technology delivering wonderful color from all angles of viewing. It makes this laptop one of the best large-screen ones. The cooling system with dual fans will prevent the laptop from overheating while users are playing demanding games or have several programs running at once for hours on end. To sum up, Predator Helios 300 isn't just the best laptop to run Autocad. It will also become the user's reliable companion in work-related tasks and gaming sessions. At number 3. Asus Vivobook K571. Battery life, 6 hours. Processor, Intel Core i7-9750H processor. RAM, 16GB. Hard disk, 256GB SSD plus 1TB HDD. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1654GB. Operating system, Windows 10. Display, 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. Vivobook K571 is a lightweight and relatively cheap laptop for Autocad. It is notable for a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display producing colors from up to 178 degrees wide angle of viewing precisely. The model is supplied with the 9th generation Intel Core i7-9750H processor with the maximum clock speed up to 4.5 GHz. Graphics-wise, Vivobook K571 boasts 4GB of NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 dedicated graphics card that boosts the general efficiency of the laptop. 16GB of DDR4 RAM will be especially helpful for multitasking purposes. The dual storage of 256GB SSD and 1TB HDD guarantees that users have enough space for their projects. Moreover, the integrated Asus ice-cool technology will ensure that the system doesn't overheat even when it is heavily loaded with various applications running at the moment. Vivobook K571 meets all the Autocad 3D laptop requirements and is a decent model to consider. At number 4. Dell G515G 5590-7679 BLK PUS. Battery life, 6 hours. Processor, Intel Core i7-9750H processor. RAM, 16GB hard disk, 256GB SSD plus 1TB HDD. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1654GB operating system, Windows 10 display, 15.6-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare LED backlight display. It is hard to imagine a list of the best laptops for various purposes without an entry from Dell. Dell G515 deservedly earns the title of the best laptop for AutoCAD, as well as for graphics design, playing games, and the entire architecture sphere, etc. The model pleases users with a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare display delivering incredibly rich and crisp colors from a wide angle of viewing. This is one of the best laptops on a budget. As for specifications, G515 integrates the modern Intel Core i7-9750H 9th Gen processor, which may be overclocked up to 4.5 GHz, thanks to the presence of the 16GB of DDR4 RAM. The laptop will perfectly cope with completing several tasks at once. The laptop's storage is a prominent point as well. Providing immense 1TB of HDD and 256GB of SSD drive, the writing and reading speed is actually superior to the HDD. The graphics of the laptop is managed by the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650G DDR5 graphics coprocessor with 4GB of dedicated graphics memory. At number 5. MSI We721032. Battery life, 6 hours. Processor, Intel Core i7-9750H processor. RAM, 32GB hard disk, 512GB SSD. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2066GB operating system, Windows 10 display, 17.3-inch Full HD display. If you are on the lookout for a fast and capable laptop for AutoCAD with a large display, then MSI We721032 is worth considering. Using this laptop, you can easily cope with 2D and 3D modeling. Due to a powerful Core i7-7700HQ 2.8 GHz processor, all AutoCAD programs will operate without the slightest drops in performance. Besides, you can perform multiple tasks at the same time as this laptop has 32GB RAM. This allows using resource-intensive tools, browser tabs, and other programs simultaneously. This comes with a 17.3-inch IPS liquid crystal display, LCD, that guarantees a colorful and sharp image from any angle. In addition, it has a Full HD 1920x1080 resolution with true-to-life colors. If you are working in a poorly lit room, the RGB keyboard for 3D modeling will be of great help. In addition, this AutoCAD laptop has ISV certification and comes with a 3-year warranty. This is a nice bonus for such a laptop. At number 6. Apple MacBook Pro 15 with Touch Bar. Battery life, 10 hours. Processor, Intel Core i7 processor. RAM, 16GB hard disk, 256GB SSD. Graphics, AMD Radeon Pro 555X 4GB operating system, macOS Sierra display, 15.4-inch LED backlit IPS Retina display. If you are a loyal Apple customer, this new Apple MacBook Pro 15 with Touch Bar is the best laptop for AutoCAD you can currently find. However, get ready to shell out since the price tag is above average. This device guarantees amazing performance and quick switching between tasks. This best Apple laptop is popular among professional users engaged in architectural, photo, video, and audio editing. It has the newest 9th generation Intel Core i7 processor for quick and smooth operation. Even when you are dealing with complex tasks like 3D model rendering or video encoding. In addition, the laptop has a saving energy mode that is useful when you work on simpler tasks like browsing the net, sending emails, etc. This laptop offers 256GB of SSD storage. The solid-state drive is super fast and energy efficient. It will help you quickly boot the system, load many programs, or instantly import large files. At number 7. Razer Blade 15. Battery life, 4 hours. Processor, Intel Core i7-9750H processor. RAM, 16GB hard disk, 512GB SSD. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce 2060 RTX 8GB operating system, macOS Sierra display, 15.6-inch Full HD matte display. If you want to buy the best laptop for AutoCAD that is portable and offers great performance, Razer Blade 15 is a nice option to consider. It's built from aluminum and has a black finishing. Thanks to 16GB of DDR4 RAM, you can play competitive games and easily cope with complex tasks. Speaking of the storage, it has 512GB solid-state drive, which speeds up system boot and works with data seamlessly. Ultra fast. Ultra small. Ultra powerful. The new Razer Blade is the world's smallest 15.6-inch gaming laptop, striking the perfect balance of power and portability. We've redesigned the award-winning laptop to be more compact yet contain even more power and features. The larger, near bezel-less 15.6-inch display stretches edge-to-edge and is available with a 4K touchscreen and 100% sRGB or Adobe RGB support. Perfect for gamers, content creators, and mobile professionals alike. 15.6-inch gaming laptop, 15.6 60Hz Ultra HD 4K touchscreen, Core i7-8750H, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, GeForce GTX 1070 Max-Q.